money into a laser fund. That's one of my favorite financial vehicles because it accumulates tax-free. You can access the money income tax-free. And this is where a lot of savvy real estate investors realize that they can keep their properties leveraged with full liquidity. Because leverage without liquidity is stupidity. And then when they have enough money, if they choose, they can just pay off their real estate in one fell swoop. And so the only other way I would own real estate would be free and clear. But anywhere in between, and I have all kinds of horror stories of people who lose their real estate because they were leveraged without liquidity, okay? Now, I want to segue in this segment into what a family bank is. Now, a family bank is more than just about financial assets, but in this segment, I'm going to talk about how many savvy people set up a family bank, and they are able to become their own banker, so to speak, which is a concept that I've been teaching now for nearly 5 decades. Now, the best way to be your own banker, I feel, is by utilizing indexed universal life insurance contracts that are maximum funded, and they're structured correctly and funded properly, so that you can earn a rate of return like I have, averaging since 1980, 9.62%. But since 1997, when indexing came out as a strategy, 11.17% by using diversified indexing strategies and by rebalancing, which is what we come and teach at our educational events. You may want to come and learn about this or you're going to miss out, okay? But let me tell you what it does, and then you can come and learn how. Now, folks, sometimes I ask people, like I did in the last segment, would you buy a widget machine, let's say, for $50,000? If that widget machine made you an extra $100,000, how about $250,000? How about, if you bought a widget machine for 50 grand and it made you an extra $250,000, what rate of return is that on equipment cost? Okay, 50,000. How much more is 250 than 50? That's 5 times. That's also called 500%. It's like, would you hire an employee for $50,000 if that employee made you an extra $250,000? That's called a 500% return on employment cost. Well, what am I talking about? Now, when you accumulate money to keep it liquid and safe from market volatility, and you want to earn a predictable rate of return that is at least double